Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I did kind of a chill vlog type video, getting my life together because it's been a while. I'm re-filming my intro because my last one that I filmed, I looked hella dusty, like that. Cause girl, baby girl, why have I been walking around like this? I don't understand. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing some updated skincare. I did my hair and I also did my nails, thanks to quarantine for teaching me a new skill. But just want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And if you want to see the rest of this video, stay tuned. Whoa. No. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do these. I got this picture off of Pinterest, yes, but it won't be the exact same color. I got some PolyGel. I'm going to use Cover Pink by Gershion and Body Blue by Savalant. I don't know. And I also got some little flowers. Flowers, girl. Got some butterflies. So yeah. I messed up already. Talking to you, Thornton. Shh.
Do we need that part? Or actually add that part, like beginner's luck.
Ombre. So has anybody been doing TikTok dances all day, every day, or it's just me? Yeah? No? Maybe? I'll be doing the LCO method to re-moisturize my hair so I can do a flat twist out for the next day. And all the products that I'm using, I will link them in the description box below. So here you can see that I'm doing the cocoon curl method, where I'm wrapping my hair around itself and pulling it down to kind of a little knot. That way when I pull it out, it'll make a little curl instead of using a roller. I don't know why I tried to do a limp check with the black shirt on, but anyway, I'm also on this journey for my hair to grow to tailbone length, and I'm doing a 3 to 4 month growth challenge where I'm using black rice water and also Jamaican black castor oil to help me reach my goal. And I'll be documenting my next wash day if you are interested in seeing that. So now that all my hair is flat twisted, I'm going to be taking that Jamaican black castor oil and rubbing it throughout my scalp and on the edges because the girl needs them. on to the skincare. I had all those oils on my hands, so I had to wash that off. And before you touch your face, please wash your hands. And in this video, you'll actually be seeing 3 different skincare routines. Yes, I said 3. They're not all that different, but there's one for the morning, and then I have 2 for night, but it's only 1 product that I'm alternating each night. So now I'm going in with the Shiseido Cleansing Oil, which I got from TJ Maxx for the low. And I'm doing the double cleansing method. The cleanser that I'm using is the Korres Greek Yogurt Cleanser, and this is actually the sample size. I usually buy sample sizes off of like eBay if I ever want to try something and not sure how my skin will react to it. So yeah, tip if you ever want to try new products, try to find the trial or the sample size. The next little sample, which is actually a travel size, is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA Exfoliant. Then I'll be going in with the Ordinary 10% lactic acid and 2% HA. And moisturizing with the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench. Still trying to figure out a good moisturizer that I really like, but this will do for now. Don't forget to moisturize them chapped lips, girl. So we're back again the next morning, and clearly I'm in a good mood. Another TikTok dance. Hey, nasty. Hey, khaki, stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. So I used the same cleanser, but for the toner I'm actually going in with the Pixi Glow Tonic, and I've been using this thing for months and it is bomb. So for the serum, I'm using the Peter Thomas Roth Potency, and I'm just trying to finish this little sample. I actually have the InstaNaturals Skin Brightening Serum that I found online, and I'm really excited to try that one. Using the same moisturizer, and this is an essential. This is the Elta ND sunscreen. Please wear your sunscreen. So at this point, I was actually rushing to get everything out because I had somewhere to be. Your girl was going outside. It's been months. So I'm just going to do my baby hair and then head out the door. So back in from a long night, and I actually have on makeup tonight, so I'm going to be doing the triple cleansing method. And the first cleanser that I'm going to be using is the Micellar Water by Garnier. Then going in with the Shiseido Cleansing Oil and the Korres Greek Yogurt Cleanser. I'm using all the products from the night before, but the only thing that'll change is the serum that I'm using, and I splurged a little and bought the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow, and you get to see me actually spraying it. Why do I keep doing that? Oh, it's expensive. And that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.